One of the advantages of ITC is that you can influence the curriculum and what your graduates will learn. By the way, I tried doing it with other boot camps as well, and they're not as conducive to what we believe the market needs.
It's a very interesting experience for us to be introduced to a lot of talent that is coming from out of Israel that otherwise we wouldn't have access to. They come not just with the academical background, but also with some practical experience they gained through the program.
I think it's really important to teach people who want to join the industry about practices and methodologies and tools that are available to deal with real problems in the real world. For me, it's the fourth workshop that I give at ITC, and I think it's really interesting to see how the people that come to these workshops are more mature as the field is maturing in the industry. They know more about the field, they know more about what they want. They are really interested to learn more and to get from our experience. It's really enthusiastic to see them and interact with them.
Here at Powtoon we have Doria and Matthias, which each of them got his own project. So I really enjoy having them and definitely pleased with the choice. Judging by the qualities of interns that I've met here, I do believe that ITC have an advantage. First of all, you get to know those interns before you hire them. And second, they come prepared with the technical skills to do all kinds of baby steps to mid-sized projects and to deliver.
Constantly hire both infrastructure developer and would be very happy to hire again from ITC in the future.